Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear parents and teachers. This is your third session of phonics lesson in which we are going to learn how different combinations of vowels or letters make the same sound and how different sounds can be made with the same combination of letter or vowels. So stay tuned with us, watch the complete video so you can learn in detail. Now we are going to start the third part of our phonics session in which we are going to learn new combinations of the vowels. When O, I come together, O and I, when they are combined and they say oi sound, oi, 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 oil, her, oi, point. The other oi sound is oi, oi. Right? This come in the beginning or in the middle of the word, and this oi come at the end of the word like ay. Ay always come at the end of the word and say a. Like oy come at the end of the word and say oi, boy, employee. Right? Next is when O and W comes together, we have learned that it says O sound, O, but it also says ow sound, ow, ow, cow, but own, brown, ow sound. Another ow sound can be pronounced by OU. OU also say O sound, right? But it can be pronounced as ow, out, out, sprout, loud, cloud, right? Another ow sound can be made with a quadrigraph, O-U-G-H, ow, plow, bow, okay? O-U-G-H. It says ow sound, ow. Actually, ow is made by O-U and G-H is silent everywhere. Next is when A and W come together, it says aw, 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 raw, straw, right? We have already discussed this in session 1. AU, when AU come together, it says aw sound. Pause, pause, alt, fault. They are diphthongs. When N and G come together, it don't say ng. It says ng, ng. Like this is noon and this is noon gunna says and ye right? So what wing, sang, sang, not wing, wing nahi. It's wing, sang. So it means this is same ink, bank. It's not bank, bank, not bank. It's bank, bank. Then sh sound. Sh. The most common sound is sh. Ash, fish, the shed. We are going to learn how many combinations can be pronounced as sh. Sh sound can be CI. When CI come together, it can say sh sound, right? How? Special, special, racial, racial, spacious, spacious, delicious, delicious. Okay, so CI is making sh sound here. CI is making sh sound here. Okay, next is this sh sound. When TI is in combination, it makes sh sound. Patient, patient, station, station. When SI is there, it says sh sound. Profession, profession, mission, mission. When SU is there, it says sh sound, but not so common. Sugar, sure, and sure. And sometimes when CH is there, it says sh sound. Chef, chef, Machine. Machine. So how many sh sound we have learned? We have learned C. One, the most common one, sh, sh. Then ci, then ti, and si, and then su, and then ch. Okay? Sh sound. Now see how many ch sounds are there. The most common is ch, 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 app, chap, charge, church. And others are when tu is there. When tu is there, it says ch sound. Future, statue, fortune. Okay? Another when tch is there. Match, hitch, fetch, match, hitch, fetch. Next is th sound. Th. Th makes two sounds. A voice that is the. Here it is making voice sound the mother and this mother, that, these, those, there, and unvoiced th sound is th, third, most. Okay, ph makes sound like f, like this. Physics, digraph, digraph, that. Mhm, mhm, mhm. P and H. It makes f sound. Physics, digraph, digraph. Physics, P and H makes sound. Okay. Next, sound can be pronounced by when GH is there. Like of, rough, of, enough. Okay. Sound. How many combination can be pronounced as k? Then when C is here, it says k, like in cat, coat. When K is here, it says k, like in cake, height. When CK is there, they both makes k sound like tick, pack. And when CH is there, sometimes it says k, like in chrome and in school. Okay? When SU is there, it makes, sometimes it makes sh sound like in sugar and sure, and sometimes it makes j sound, like in measure, treasure. Okay? J sound. Another j sound can be made by I. S और I से हमने पढ़ा था sh sound, like in permission. But here it is making j sound. Conversion, revision. When there is vowel before it, or R or L, it says j sound, and in other cases, it says sh sound, shun. But in this, where R is here, where L is here, it says, or any vowel is here, it says j sound, j. Revision, conversion, okay, compulsion. Next is can be made by sun, stop. When C is having E after it, it says like cell, peace. It is having E after this, right? So it makes the sound of C, not k, but in same like when C is having I after it, it says sound, like in circle, having I after this, and in acid, I after it. When C is having Y after it, it says like in cycle, like in fancy, cycle, fancy. Okay? Acha, next is J sound. J can be made with J. J, jug. J, eep, jeep. J can be made when G is having E after it. J sound, right? gel, cage. J can be pronounced when G is having I after it. J, like N, J, N, J, ginger. Logic, J sound. Another J sound when G is having Y after it. J sound. Gem, biology, gym. Okay? And when J and E is here, D will be silent. And G and E makes J sound. Like fridge, like badge. Okay? Same combination of letters make different sounds. How? See, Y. Y says J sound. Yes. Gel. Same Y makes E sound when it is in the second part or second syllable. Baby. Happy. And same G says I sound. I. Like short sound of I. In gym. Oxygen. Oxygen. Cylinder. In this, it is making short I sound. I. Yaha, it is saying here. Here it is saying E, long E sound, and here it is saying short I sound, short I. Another sound, I, long I sound, sky, fry, try, E sound. When E and Y is here, it says E sound, key, money. And when AY is here, A is with Y, it says A sound. A, say, hey, play, gay, may. Right? So Y can say six sounds. CH. CH, most common sound is ch. But what are the other sounds can be made by CH? C. Chop, chop. Bench. Ch sound. K sound. Chemistry. School. Th sound. Sh sound. Chef. Machine. Sh. So it is making three sounds, right? Three sounds. Ch, k, and sh. Same. Oo. It says four different sounds. Ood, long oo sound. Cool, long oo sound. Foot, short o sound. Good, short o sound. Blood, short a sound. Blood, short a sound. Door, long o sound. Floor, long o sound. Four sounds can be made by two o's. Yes. EA can make how many different pronunciations? Eagle, E sound. Peak, E sound. Right? Bread, thread, sound. Death, sound. Short E sound. Earn, earth, sound. Short sound. Year, ear, year. Right? Ear sound. Ear. And then again, EA, the combination is same. Four sounds we have already learned. Here it says steak, A sound. Great, A sound. Bear, hair, sound. Bear, hair. Okay? Six sound. Sometimes it says E, sometimes it says A, sometimes it says A, sometimes it says ear. Okay? Next. OW. OW makes O sound, low, blown, but it also makes ow sound, how, cow, brown. So it makes two different pronunciation, O and ow. OU can also make different pronunciation that are, see how many? Four, O sound, long O. Although, long O sound. Couple, sound. Tough, sound. Loud, ow sound. Sound, ow sound. Rude, oo sound. Long oo sound. Through, long oo sound. Okay? SION can make two different pronunciation. Jen, revision, conversion, and shun. Haitian, tension. Okay? O-U-G-H. O-U-G-H makes how many? 9 different pronunciations. We have discussed, I guess, 7 pronunciations here. 7 sounds. One is do, like in go, O sound. Okay? Cough, like in off, cough. True, like in ooh like ooh into, ooh sound, true. Off, like in suffer, rough, rough. Ow sound, like in flower, flow, flow. Ow, aw sound, aw, like in saw, jaw, ought, ought. And up, per sound, hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. This was all about the third session. And if you like the video, it is informative, must subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you can get the next videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.